Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, let's explore Mekedatu waterfalls. So, before going to waterfalls, there is one small temple nearby. So, let's visit the temple first. So, this temple is is located in the middle of a forest. So, this is how the view looks like. It's very beautiful, full of trees, nature. On the way, we had to pass through a forest checkpost. They told us the route will close by 6 p.m., so we have to come back before 6 p.m. And also, they told us not to stop the vehicle anywhere. From the checkpost, it will take around 30 minutes to reach the temple. Till we reach the temple, enjoy this beautiful view.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest.
Finally, we reached the temple. Photography was not allowed inside the temple, so I couldn't take much photos inside. So, this is the Kaveri river nearby temple. It's so peaceful. Then we started our journey towards Mekedatu waterfalls. Suddenly it started raining in the middle of our journey, which makes the journey even more beautiful. Actually, our own vehicle is not allowed inside the Mekedatu waterfall area. They have their own vehicle, so we have to travel in that vehicle. The ticket cost around 100 rupees per person. The route was little scary and adventurous, but our driver drove very safely. And finally, we reached the waterfall. Look at this beautiful view from the top. And from this way, we can go down to the waterfalls. Look at these beautiful rocks. They're so unique and beautiful.
In the darkness, I could feel her thinking about somebody else. Some old secret she keeps hidden high up on the shelf.
I really like this waterfall. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.